everybody, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. You know, when COVID hit, I got really concerned because there are all kinds of things that I wanted to do artistically this summer with everybody, and we just didn't get a chance because we couldn't be face to face. But one of the things that I came up with was this very simple drawing class, and it kind of mixes Pictionary, which is a game where you take shapes and you try to draw them and try to figure out what somebody's drawing faster than the other team. So it's mixing regular, normal shapes like circles and squares and triangles and rainbows and things like that, and turning them into animals and things and creatures. And so I've got a brand new series for you. I call it Drawing with Sophie, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. Now, unlike my normal videos that go step by step by step by step by step, this is going to be one of those ones where you can stop and pause whenever you feel like it. So I'm just going to go straight on through, and you feel empowered to stop whenever you need more time, or back up, or move forward, whichever works best for you. So let's get started. For this project, you will need paper, a pencil, eraser, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the first thing that you're going to do is draw an egg shape. And remember, if you need more time, just hit the pause button at any point. Now, about a third of the way up from the bottom, draw a straight line across. And then from either side of the points of the straight line, I want you to draw a smiley face. Now, I want you to make 4 triangles using this as the bottom of the triangle. So you're going to go 1 triangle, doot, 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 doot. 2 triangles, doot, doot, doot. 3 triangles, doot, doot, doot. Ooh, and this is going to be a very big triangle. 4 triangles, doot, 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 doot. There you go. And at this point, you can erase that top line there, because that you don't need anymore. You can see there's the shell that your little chicken is sitting in. You can also erase this bottom part of the chicken, because you don't need that. It's going to be hidden inside the shell. Now, on either side of the chicken's body, the sides of the eggs, I want you to draw 2 straight lines. 1 line on one side, 1 line on the other side, and then do a smiley on either side. So 1 smiley face and 2 smiley face. Now, in the middle, I want you to draw a triangle. And underneath it, with a little space, draw another triangle upside down. Now put an eye on either side of the triangle. That's your little beak there in the middle, and there's your little eyes. And now we're almost done, everybody. What I want you to do is draw an upside down tear. So it kind of goes up and over, just like a little teardrop. We're going to do one on this side and also one on the other side. So you have 3 teardrops, 1, 2, 3. And if it's easier to turn it upside down and do that, that's fine. You can do that too. And now I'm going to trace out with my marker. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1, then 2, then 3 feathers. And now I'm going to trace the bird. So I'm going to start at the top. When I get to the wing, I'm going to come right across the wing, and then I'm going to go under that smiley face, and I'm not going to go all the way up to connect there, I'm actually going to connect it to his body so that it looks like a little wing. And I can do the agate this time too. And just go up and over and up and over and up and over. Kind of looks like little dragon teeth. And then come down and around for the Aggie. And then come back over on the other side for my chicken and go up. And again, I'm not going to close that off. I'm going to go around the wing instead so that it now looks like the wing is part of the whole body. And then come down. And now I'm going to make his little eyes and his beak. Now grab those markers or crayons or colored pencils and color in your little friend. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying these art classes as much as I am. I promise I'll keep bringing them to you. But in the meantime, if you want more stuff, check me out at sophie-world.com. And remember, stay creative and curious.